In this video, I want to guide you on how to change sound icon on Windows 7 and Windows 11. This is very simple. In less than 1 minute, guys, you are good to go. Come to this place, right in control panel, click on this button. Now come to this icon. You can choose category, large icon or small icon. So let's go for category. Under category, click on hardware and sound. Now under sound, you see this sound button here. Click on manage audio device. Once you click on manage audio device, you have something like this. So you have this one, you have this one here. So now come over, select any of this one that you want. This is a default setting. Then this is not a default one. So click on any of this one, then click on properties. Once you click on properties, click on change icon. On clicking on change icon, you have different icon here that you can use as the icon. So let's try this one. Click on this one, click on OK. You see it changes here. Click on it again, click on this one, click on OK. Then you change it here. Then once you've done that with any of the that you want to use, click on apply button, click on OK, then click on OK. That's all, guys. You've been able to change the speaker icon on your Windows PC. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.